Welcome to our channel where we explore the age-old debate of old school versus new school ways of making money. On one hand, we have tried and true methods that have stood the test of time. On the other hand, we have the cutting-edge techniques that are shaping the future of business. But which one is the best way to make money in today's world? Stick around as we dive deep and find out the pros and cons of both, and ultimately give you the tools to make the most money possible. Let's get started. 1. Getting a job. Getting a job refers to working for an employer, typically in exchange for a salary or wages. It's a traditional way of earning an income and it can provide stability and benefits. Advantages of getting a job include: 1. Stability of a regular income. Having a steady paycheck can provide financial security and make it easier to plan for the future. 2. Job security. Some jobs come with a level of job security that is not present in self-employment or freelance work. Disadvantages of getting a job include: 1. Limited earning potential. Many jobs have a ceiling on how much money an employee can earn. 2. Risk of being laid off or fired. The risk of losing a job can be stressful and can make it difficult to plan for the future. Job searching and career development can be a long process, and it's important to have a clear understanding of what you're looking for and to be prepared for the job market. 2. Real estate investing. Real estate investing involves buying and owning properties such as houses, apartments, commercial buildings, and land. The goal of real estate investing is to generate income through rental income, appreciation in property value, or both. Advantages of real estate investing include: 1. Potential for long-term appreciation in property value. Real estate has historically been a good investment for those who hold on to their properties for an extended period. 2. Steady stream of rental income. Renting out your properties can provide a consistent source of income. Disadvantages of real estate investing include: 1. High initial investment. Buying a property can be expensive, and it may be difficult for some people to come up with the necessary down payment and closing costs. 2. Potential for vacancies or difficulty finding tenants. Your rental property may sit empty for a period of time, resulting in a loss of rental income. 3. Stock market investing. Stock market investing involves buying shares of ownership in publicly traded companies with the expectation that the value of those shares will increase over time. The stock market is a platform where publicly traded companies issue shares of stock to raise capital and investors buy and sell those shares on an exchange. Advantages of stock market investing include: 1. Ability to invest with a small amount of money. With as little as $25 or $50, you can open a brokerage account and begin investing in the stock market. 2. Liquidity. Stocks can be bought and sold easily and quickly, providing flexibility to investors. Disadvantages of stock market investing include: 1. Lack of control. Investors have little control over how a company is run or how the stock market performs. 2. Requires understanding. Investing in the stock market requires a good understanding of financial markets, the economy, and the specific companies in which you are interested in investing. It is important to note that stock market investing can be risky, and it's important to understand the risks and to diversify your portfolio. It's also recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 4. Owning a small business. Owning a small business refers to starting and running a business, which can be a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. It's an opportunity to create something new, be your own boss, and have the potential for high returns. Advantages of owning a small business include: 1. Potential for high returns. With a successful business, the owner can earn more than they would working for someone else. 2. Be your own boss. As a small business owner, you have the freedom to make your own decisions and be in control of your own destiny. Disadvantages of owning a small business include: 1. High risk of failure. Starting a business is a risky venture, and most small businesses fail within their first few years. 2. Financial risk. Small business owners often have to invest a lot of their own money into the business and may have to take on debt. Owning a small business is not for everyone, and it's important to understand the risks and potential rewards before starting one. 5. Investing in precious metals. Investing in precious metals, such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, can be an alternative way to preserve wealth and hedge against inflation. Precious metals have been considered as a store of value for centuries, and they are still considered as a safe haven asset today. Advantages of investing in precious metals include: 1. Preservation of wealth. Precious metals have held their value over time and can be a hedge against inflation. 2. Liquidity. Precious metals can be easily bought and sold, providing flexibility to investors. Disadvantages of investing in precious metals include 1. High cost of investment. Precious metals can be expensive to buy, especially for larger amounts. 2. Price volatility. The price of precious metals can be volatile, and they can be affected by changes in supply and demand, as well as political and economic events. It's important to note that investing in precious metals should be considered as a long-term investment and that it should be a small part of a diversified portfolio. It's also recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 6. Agricultural activities. Agricultural activities refer to farming, raising livestock, and harvesting crops. It's a traditional way of earning an income, and it can provide food security and a sense of accomplishment. Advantages of agricultural activities include 1. Potential for high returns. With a successful agricultural operation, farmers and ranchers can earn a good income. 2. Ability to produce your own food. Having a farm or a small herd of livestock can provide a source of fresh, healthy food for the family and for sale. Disadvantages of agricultural activities include 1. High risk of crop failure. Agricultural activities are subject to the whims of nature, and crop failure can occur due to drought, pests, or other factors. 2. Constant adaptation. Agricultural activities require constant adaptation to changes in the weather, market conditions, and technologies. It's important to note that agricultural activities are a traditional way of earning an income, and they can provide food security and a sense of accomplishment, but they also come with their own set of risks and challenges. In today's world, ways people make money are enormous. In this video we'll be talking about just few, which include 1. Online businesses. Online businesses are businesses that operate primarily through the internet, such as e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, online coaching, or consulting. These types of businesses allow entrepreneurs to reach a global audience and operate with relatively low overhead costs. Advantages of online businesses include 1. Global reach. Online businesses can reach customers from all over the world, potentially increasing the customer base. 2. Flexibility. Online businesses can often be run from anywhere with an internet connection, providing flexibility for the business owner. Disadvantages of online businesses include 1. High competition. There are a lot of online businesses, and it can be difficult to stand out in a crowded marketplace. 2. Difficulty in establishing trust. It can be difficult to establish trust with customers when conducting business solely online. It's important to note that starting an online business takes time, effort, and dedication, and it's important to have a solid business plan, understanding of the market and the specific online business, and the necessary skills to succeed. It's also recommended to consult a business advisor before starting an online business. 2. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple use decentralized systems to record transactions on a public ledger called a blockchain. Cryptocurrency is a relatively new form of investment, and it's still considered as a high-risk, high-reward investment. Advantages of investing in cryptocurrency include 1. Potential for high returns. Cryptocurrency has the potential for high returns, with some coins experiencing significant price appreciation in a short period of time. 2. Decentralization. Cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized system, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Disadvantages of investing in cryptocurrency include 1. High volatility. The value of cryptocurrency can be highly volatile, making it difficult to predict short-term price movements. 2. Risk of fraud. The cryptocurrency market is still relatively new and not well understood, and there is a risk of fraud and scam in the market. 3. Online trading and day trading. Online trading and day trading refer to buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, options, forex, and other securities using online platforms. Online trading platforms provide investors with the ability to research, track, and execute trades in real time. Day trading, in particular, is a short-term strategy that involves buying and selling securities within the same trading day. Advantages of online trading and day trading include 1. Lower costs. Online trading platforms typically have lower costs compared to traditional brokerage firms. 2. Potential for high returns. Day trading, in particular, has the potential for high returns, although it also involves high risk. Disadvantages of online trading and day trading include 1. High risk. Day trading and other forms of online trading involve a high level of risk, and investors may lose a significant amount of money. 2. Emotional involvement. Online trading and day trading can be emotionally taxing, and investors may make impulsive decisions based on emotions. It's important to have a clear understanding of the risks and to diversify your portfolio. It's also recommended to consult a financial advisor before engaging in online trading or day trading and to keep an eye on the regulations and news on the market. 4. Online tutoring and teaching. Online tutoring and teaching refers to providing education and tutoring services over the internet, typically through platforms such as Zoom, or through online schools. Online tutoring and teaching can take many forms, such as one-on-one tutoring, group classes, or pre-recorded video lessons. Advantages of online tutoring and teaching include: 1. Flexibility. Online tutoring and teaching provides flexibility for both teachers and students, as they can schedule lessons and classes at their own convenience. 2. Greater access to education. Online tutoring and teaching can provide greater access to education for students in remote or underserved areas. Disadvantages of online tutoring and teaching include: 1. Limited social interaction. Online tutoring and teaching can lack the social interaction and engagement of traditional in-person education. 2. Dependence on technology. Online tutoring and teaching relies heavily on technology, and any issues with internet connectivity or technical difficulties can disrupt lessons. It's important to note that online tutoring and teaching is a growing field, and it can provide a flexible and cost-effective method of teaching and learning. 5. Online content creation. Online content creation refers to creating and monetizing content such as videos, blogs, podcasts, or music through platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, or Twitch. Online content creators use these platforms to build an audience, engage with fans, and promote products or services. Online content creation can also include creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates. Advantages of online content creation include: 1. Potential for passive income. Online content creators can earn money through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, or digital products. 2. Creative expression. Online content creation allows creators to express themselves creatively and share their passions with others. Disadvantages of online content creation include: 1. High competition. There is a lot of content available on online platforms, and it can be difficult to stand out from the competition. 2. Monetization. Monetizing content can be difficult, and it may take time to build a large enough audience to generate significant income. It's important to note that online content creation requires a good understanding of the specific platform and the target audience. 6. Online surveys and data collection. Online surveys and data collection refer to the process of participating in online surveys and providing data to companies for market research or other purposes. Companies and researchers use survey data to understand consumer preferences, habits, and opinions on products, services, and issues. Surveys can be completed online, through email, or through mobile apps, and participants are often compensated for their time. Advantages of participating in online surveys and data collection include: 1. Easy to participate. Online surveys can be completed from anywhere with an internet connection, and they are often quick and easy to participate in. 2. Potential for compensation. Many online surveys and data collection programs offer compensation for participants, such as cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Disadvantages of participating in online surveys and data collection include: 1. Limited earning potential. The earning potential for participating in online surveys and data collection is typically low, and it may take a significant amount of time to earn a substantial amount of money. 2. Privacy concerns. Online surveys and data collection may ask for personal information, and there is a risk that this information could be used for other purposes or shared with third parties. 7. Online gambling and betting. Online gambling and betting refers to using online platforms to gamble or bet on sports, casino games, or other events. Online gambling and betting platforms provide users with the ability to place bets or play games remotely, and they offer a wide range of options such as poker, slots, sports betting, horse racing, and more. Online gambling and betting has become increasingly popular in recent years due to the convenience and accessibility it provides. Advantages of online gambling and betting include: 1. Bonuses and promotions. Online gambling and betting platforms often offer bonuses and promotions to attract new users and retain existing ones. 2. Potential for high returns. online gambling and betting has the potential for high returns, although it also involves high risk. Disadvantages of online gambling and betting include: 1. High risk. Online gambling and betting involves a high level of risk, and users may lose a significant amount of money. 2. Dependence on technology. Online gambling and betting relies heavily on technology, and any issues with internet connectivity or technical difficulties can disrupt the gambling or betting experience. 8. Online affiliate marketing. Online affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. An affiliate is a person or a company that promotes a business's products or services and earns a commission for each sale or lead they generate. Affiliate marketing can take many forms, such as promoting products through a blog, website, social media, or email marketing. Advantages of online affiliate marketing include: 1. Performance-based. Businesses only pay affiliates for results, such as a sale or lead, which can be more cost-effective than other forms of advertising. 2. Passive income. Affiliates can earn passive income by promoting products and earning commissions on sales. Disadvantages of online affiliate marketing include: 1. Lack of trust. It can be difficult to establish trust with customers when products or services are promoted through affiliate marketing. 2. Requires knowledge and skills. Successful affiliate marketing requires knowledge of online marketing, website development, and search engine optimization. It's important to note that online affiliate marketing can be a cost-effective way for businesses. On a general note, when considering different ways to make money, it's important to understand your own interests and skills. This will help you to find a way to make money that is both enjoyable and sustainable for you. Diversifying your income streams can help to reduce risk and increase stability. For example, if you have a job, consider investing in real estate or starting a small business. Before investing in any opportunity, it's important to do your research and understand the risks and potential returns. Make sure you understand the industry, the company or the niche, and the specific strategies or tactics that you need to use to be successful. All ways of making money require hard work and perseverance. Be prepared to put in the time and effort required to make your income-generating venture successful. Ultimately, the best way to make money depends on your skills, interests, and resources. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on personal development and how to make money and grow your wealth.